Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Diego. And Karina is at her job. She got her work permit and now she's just waiting for her green card, and she is at work, and I'm putting a video together for you guys regarding social security numbers. So come on along, let's go. Now, I'm not an immigration attorney. I don't give you any legal advice. I don't work for USCIS or the State Department. But I've got 9 years experience processing K-1 visas and green cards, and I'm helping you get through this process for free. So you don't have to pay an immigration attorney thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, all these companies that charge you money to process a simple K-1 visa or a simple green card application. So, you got your K-1 visa approved, you arrived in the United States of America, the plane landed, you got off the plane, and you're trying to decide whether to get your social security number first or get married first. Well, in some states, there are 12 states where you got to get your social security number before you can get married, okay? But the process is this. You get to America, you get your passport, you got your K-1 visa, you go and print your I-94, which is the Border Patrol entry document. You print your I-94 with your and you take it with your passport and your K-1 visa to the Social Security Administration office, wherever you live, and apply for your social security number. You can do it that way, or you can do it this way. You can come to America, get married, and have Homeland Security apply for your social security number for you via the Social Security Administration. So you got two ways you can do this. The first way is you get your I-94 and your passport with your K-1 visa in it. You go to the Social Security office, and you haven't got married yet unless you live in one of these other 12 states where you have to have a social security number to get married. And you give the lady your I-94, and she goes in a computer and she gets you processed for your social security card. It takes about 10 days to get it from Baltimore, Maryland. The other option is you can come to America, get married, and then when you adjust your status to green card, on page 2 of Form 485, which is the adjustment of status paperwork, you can ask Homeland Security, you can check the box, no, you don't have a social security number, no, you haven't applied for a social security card, yes, you give Homeland Security permission to give all your information to the Social Security Administration, and then they will send you a social security card. Remember, K-2s also require a social security number, not just the K-1. So if you're coming into America, let's suppose you're 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old, you're not going to want to get a work permit. It's not required. You don't even need a work permit anyway, in my opinion. But instead of the way you process the social security number for a K-2 who's a juvenile, or any K-2 at that matter, you just have Homeland Security do it on page 2 of their Form 485 when you apply for their green card. Remember, you got to apply for green cards separately. You can put them in the same envelope, in the same box, but you got to apply for green cards. If you got two people, a K-1 and a K-2, you got to fill out 2 green card applications, 2 Form 485s. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I do a live stream Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays at 6 p.m. Central Time. See you at the live stream. Thanks for watching the videos, and have a fantastic day, and be patient during this entire process.
Hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista, baby.